when it snows and she gets to go out and play like this. I've been looking, hadn't seen any deer. Believe it or not, I got a doctor's appointment to go to here. I'll leave here in an hour and look at my trucks. Get done walking her, then I'm gonna probably take the little one. Take the little truck. What are you doing, babe? What are you doing, Willow? Huh? Look at the roof. Oh, yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Oh, come on. What are you doing? Are you having a good time? Huh? Are you having a good time? Keeping an eye out for deer just in case. What are you thinking, honey? Huh? Look at her go. Hopefully I ain't getting you guys sick, but this is funny. Come on, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. What are you doing? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh. You getting snow in your nose? I gotta dry the camera off. Alright, for now. Feet are getting wet. Should have put my boots on. Hi, Happy. What's Willow doing? She's been waiting all year for today. This is her moment this week. Yeah. This is Willow's moment. Huh. Isn't it? What you doing, Willow? This is her second round. You can see she was out there earlier. Hurry up. Go to the bathroom. Go one or two. Go ahead. Get it over with. With Happy. I see you, honey. Yes, I do. I see you, honey. All right, you done? Shake. You got snow all over you. Shake. Willow, shake. Shake. Look at her tongue hanging the side of her mouth. You see her tongue? Are you done? All right, let's go on in. Here's some of our roads where we live. And it looks like someone's gotten stuck. Not good. And it is slippery. I better put my defroster on here in a second. Alright, let's get the defroster on. Roads don't look that bad. Slushy, snowy but slushy. But you know, they still are slippery. Now this is a back road. I mean, this is, you can see where I live. You know they're not going to be out here salting and sanding these at all. They will do the main roads, which they call them snow routes around here. So anyway, I'm going to the post office first, and then I've got a doctor's appointment to go to. Look how pretty these trees are in the snow. We're going to do a ride along. These roads are slippery. Now we're going to go west. It's about a 2-mile ride on this road. And it's going to get very slippery here. Not at this little peak, but the next one is going to be real bad. Every winter, that's the one you got to worry about getting up. That one you can see right there. I don't mind snow. Snow driving is great. It's when you get in that black sludge, it's really slippery stuff. Hopefully we'll make it to the top. Yo! You guys seen that? Yep. I made it. When you get on the snow, you got pretty good hookup. Now you just hope there's no one coming over the top of these rolling hills. We got some more hills to climb, but the other ones are more tapered. Look at the snow here, guys, huh? We are about a mile from the house now. Pretty. We live a mile that direction. Up on the other side of this hill. Gonna drive on the non-driven part of the snow. And this is the rolling hill we're on the top of it. But we're back that way. Oh, half a mile. She's got her head buried in the snow smelling something. What are you doing? Huh? She's getting it in there. Willow, what are you doing? Look who's down here. Hey, Mama's coming home. You see me mention her name, Mama. Mama's coming home. She knows she's going to come through that gate, and she's going to be through that gate soon. Alright, guys. I know it's dark. I don't know if you can see this. But that garage light came on. Anyway, I'm walking up the driveway. It just got done snowing again. Hey, we just got a huge burst of snow. You can't see it. But anyway, yeah, it's still snowing. I can feel it hitting me. I'm out here in a t-shirt. Yeah, that's me. Let me get over here. You can see some of that. I don't know if you can see the trees. Let me go over here. Yeah, it's snowing. Alright. Look at that. The way the sun, the light glares the snow. It's beautiful. Here's our driveway. Trying to go slow. And there's our house. I'll walk down there in a second. And there's our trusty tractor. I only keep it there only when it's winter time, so I can put my Christmas lights on it. Let's walk over here. Alright. We got at least 4 inches of snow. I can feel it in the driveway. Alright, there you go. Here's the snow for tonight. It all looks beautiful, guys. I love this time of year. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the trees here or not. The light glaring off them. Can do another quick circle around. There is some light off those trees by eyesight. I can see it. I don't know camera. I'll see it tonight later. But look at that. Alright guys, I'm just giving you a shot of what it is tonight. It is about 10 o'clock at night. So anyway, you'll have a great night. And enjoy life. Enjoy your friends. Enjoy your family. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks again.